Hello, I'm Ed Salazar, and today I'm going to cover some clip editor basics. Inside of the clip editor, what we'll have in the central section is a series of rows and columns, and each one of these rows is going to represent a message that's being played, and the column is to give you a little bit more information about that message. So the first column will tell you the name of it, sostastore.com versus style.css. The second column will let you know whether it's an HTML file, is it a CSS file, is it a JS file. The next column lets you know from a target name what is the site that I'm going to be hitting. Is it hitting www.sostastore.com or is it going to s3.amazon.com? The next column is giving you individual actions. Is it a get? Is it a post? Followed by the URL and the query string. Now as I click on any one of them, I might get a little bit more information about the URL value or the query string if it's not viewable in the row or the column that you're looking at. Up above in the menu structure, what we do have is the ability to save or save as. Save as will allow us to put it in a different location or a different folder, give it another name, make a backup, as well as having the ability to undo or redo. So it is an Ajax application, so I can click on any message, drag and drop it into another location. I can take that and move it back. So what undo will do is if I click undo, it'll take it back to the step that I had done. This is very useful if you've deleted something that you didn't want to delete and you want to get it back. And then if you do something as well, you can also use redo. It will cancel out that last step. Cut, copy, and paste are also available inside of this editor. I can take any message that I click on, I can cut it out, and as I click on to another message, whatever I click on when I begin to paste, it will go right after that message. So as I click paste, you can see sostastore.com moves back into the test case, and I can then drag and drop it to wherever I would like. Copy is very similar. I can click copy, select one of the messages, and then paste it in, and I have now a brand new message 1 which is associated to the home page of the sostastore.com site. The next button will allow me to delete that, so deleting anything out, again, click it, delete. The number of messages that I have for any given test case or test clip will be listed here. 1 through 24 is how many that I have right now. If we go above 50, it will split them up and you have the ability to navigate to the next page or have the ability to just show 100, 200, or simply all of them. We have been showing you the list view, but there is also an icon view, and as you move over into icon view, what you'll see is that all of the same messages are just represented in a different structure. However, all of the same activities that we've shown thus far are possible. So I can drag and drop. I can move things around as I click them. They'll give me more information about the URL and the query string, and I can drag and drop and move messages about as I wish. This has concluded showing you a little bit more information about the basics. If you need any more information, we do have Find Out Hows and the CloudLink forum.